2 pounds. Holy moly! This is a medium bowl. How do you get this in a... Oh.
That is a lot of liquid. Was not my idea to put a cup of bouillon in there. Let's see. Oh, it's so soft. And it is not cooked. It's not cooked. All right, so it's been about 13 minutes. All right. Boy, it's soupy. Let's see. It is so soft. 167, 169, we're good. That is one soupy mofo. Let's see if I can get it out of there. Oh, oh, whoa! Oh, I did it, man. Ha 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 ha! Look at the soup. That wasn't my idea. I'm going to let this rest about 10-15 minutes. It's been resting about 13 minutes. Let's see if we can get some slices off it. I really don't know what to expect. Seriously. I want to get at least 2 slices. All right. 1. Hi. Okay, it's a little firmer than I thought it would be, and that's probably because there's cheese in there. Oi! The glaze was from an old ad, Caro syrup and ketchup. 1/4 cup Caro, 1 cup ketchup. It's actually very tasty. And although the meatloaf was swimming in soup, I'm really glad I put some on top. World's Greatest Meatloaf, 1977. Let's get top glaze. That broke apart easy. Let's take a nice sized bite here. Ooh. All right, here we go. It's not. It's not the world's greatest meatloaf. It's pretty tasty though. We have to try it again. I'll take three bites. Let's put a little sauce on it. That's good. Okay, it is very soft. Wait, finger. It's okay. I'm actually a little disappointed. I'm not sure I can even tell there's cheddar cheese in there. I liked the idea of adding cheddar. I've never added cheese to meatloaf. Needs more sauce, though. And it's really good with the glaze. So it doesn't always work out for the best, but I'm going to eat it. It's edible. And I think it will continue to firm up, especially if there's cheese in there when you put it in the fridge. Thanks for joining me this world's greatest Meatloaf Thursday. You know what I'm going to say? What am I going to say? I'll eat it. It's really good with the glaze. Thanks for watching.